Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix format the disk in Drive before you can use it in your Windows 11 Drive. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases, whenever you try to connect any pen drive or exists driver, whenever it is there, you're going to see a error message like format the disk in drive before you can use it. So how you can fix that issue? It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click in your Windows 11 search bar and type here CMD and open Run as Administrator. After open this run command, you need to go in your Windows 11 this PC, and for example, I want to fix the G drive issue. You might be have the another drive, so you need to make sure which drive you want to fix. So my one is G drive, which is here is a pen drive. I had connected with my PC and it has this error. So for that, you need to go in and this command prompt, and then you need to type here a command. You'll get all this command in my video description. Simply you can copy and paste it over here, but make sure you need to change the drive name. So I want to scan my G drive. So for that, you need to click chkdsk space G colon space /F and then hit enter. And after that, it's going to be a scan and it's going to be fixed. And after that, you need to type again another command, which is chkdsk space G colon space /R and then hit enter. Within this step, it's going to be take a little longer time to scan this process. And after done this process, hopefully your Windows 11 format the disk in drive before you can use going to be fixed. You can see this the second command is taking a little bit longer than the first command. Obviously it's depend on your PC in your pen drive how much data available in that. You can see it's done successfully. Now you can easily reuse your pen drive without having this error message. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.